Please save me. In the corner of Montanhes Street, Brazil. The dog was sheltered by a cardboard box. Flies swarmed and a foul smell emanated. No one wanted to approach him. A person who came to help said he had been there for 3 days, possibly run over by a vehicle. Lying on the roadside, exposed to the sun and rain, very thirsty and hungry. He couldn't walk, only able to move his front legs. They contacted the animal rescue group, and they came. Gently placing the dog in the car, he was very confused and scared. Looking around with worried eyes, but he could only sit there, helplessly. The woman took him to the hospital, a place she was very familiar with. The girl massaged him, hoping it would help ease his tension. His spine was broken. The fortunate thing was that he could still feel pain. His body was also infested with fleas and ticks, and he had an open wound on his hip. Fatigue and pain were evident on his face. Acupuncture and physical therapy were the best options for him. He was bathed, and his wounds were cleaned thoroughly. Even though the injuries were quite serious, he acted as if nothing was wrong, being very lively and mischievous, always wanting to be petted. He was named Resg. On the way to his new shelter, a special gift for Resg was a small house. In just 2 days, his personality began to shine. His hind legs didn't affect his instinct to run and jump. Bathing, he was constantly giving kisses. Applying ointment. The next day, he was taken to the hospital to check the wound on his hip. The wound was quite large and had become infected. Due to policy reasons, we couldn't share more details. They returned home. On the 5th day after being rescued, the girl took Resg to a physical therapy center for dogs. It was like heaven for him, running, meeting new friends. A smile was always on his face. The nurse was performing electroacupuncture on him. Resg couldn't sit still because of the pain. Training his hind leg muscles, he was cooperating very well. I guess it won't be long before he recovers, stretching his leg muscles.
Para vocês verem como é que são as coisas.
As time passed, the open wound on his hip healed, and his hind legs never became a reason for Resg to stop.
Ele simplesmente não tá conseguindo fazer xixi, tá enorme. Se eu tivesse deixado pra vir aqui mais tarde.
He ran very fast.
Olha isso. Imagina se eu tivesse deixado pra mais tarde pra vir aqui, como sempre. Meu Deus do céu. Eu tô partindo com ele pra clínica agora.
Resg's next checkup, everything went smoothly, but the treatment journey was still long. One day, Resg received a special gift, a wheelchair.
Bora, vem.
At first, he was confused, unsure of this strange contraption.
Bora? Vamos?
But as he felt the support it offered, a new light of understanding dawned in his eyes. The wheelchair wasn't a limitation, it was his ticket to freedom. And soon enough, Resg was zooming around faster than anyone could have imagined, his tongue lolling out in pure joy. What are your thoughts on Reg's story? How did the dedication of the woman and her team inspire you? Please comment below. Every view, share, like, and comment from you is a great support to the rescue team. Let's work together to create a better world for homeless animals. Thank you, and see you in future rescue stories.